Just so you know, this is still Bay, but when they ran out, I had to find a side piece. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm obviously here to test out another product. So I made a video about Jheri Curl juice, and in particular my favorite Jheri Curl juice, which is the Proclaim Curl Activator. I can only find this at Sally's, and as of lately it's been sold out at Sally's every time I looked. So I had to find an alternative. Curl activators moisturize my hair very well. As you know, in my other videos, I'm always complaining about how dry my hair is, so I use Curl Activator a lot as my styler. So like I said, they were sold out, so I wanted to try something else that I could have as an alternative. So I wanted to try the Soft Sheen Carson Care Free Curl Activator. This is totally old school, like Proclaim. I don't even think they had that back when Jheri curls were out or whatever, but I remember this as a kid. Definitely, I remember this stuff. So it says pleasant fragrance, and so I guess it doesn't, it actually does smell really good. It doesn't have that old school Soul Train fragrance to it, whatever that the other Jheri Curl juices have. So that's a plus for me right there. One thing that I did notice already though, my Proclaim, this is activator gel. This is what I'm used to right here. This is cream. Really weird. So I have no idea if this is going to work good. Some people commented on my other video and said they do use Care Free Curl and it's not greasy and all that, yada yada yada. So I'm gonna give it a try. Can't go wrong. Like I said, I got this at Sally's. I don't remember, it wasn't that expensive or whatever, because I probably wouldn't have bought it. This is 16 fluid ounces. We'll just see. So oh, and by the way, I checked the Sally app today. That's where I ordered my stuff from, and the Proclaim was actually back in stock, but I had already bought this. I'm not doing any exchanges or anything because I don't go in stores still, and so I'm just going to use what I have. I've been curious about other activators anyway, so I just wanted to give that a try. Okay, first things first, let me get this out of the way. This is my spray bottle. This has water in it, and it only has water in it, and I only put water in it. I use this probably in almost every video, and anytime you see me using this, there is nothing but H2O in here. You want to know where I got it from. I bought this from Sally's. I don't remember the price, but I did put a link in the description, so you can get, if you want literally this exact one that I have, the link is in the description. Click on that link, boom, it'll pull up the exact one. They have other ones too. You don't have to buy the exact one that I have. I'm just, because a lot of people ask which one are you using, so I'm just letting you know. Also, I think they sell these at other local beauty supply stores now too. These are very popular. You can even get them on Amazon. I don't know the quality of what's on Amazon or anything, so I'm not going to vouch for that, but I got mine at Sally's. So let me get that out. I just wanted to get that out the way because I get asked that so much, like not only in the Jheri Curl Juice video, but in all my videos. So I just want to let you know, because I put it in the description, but I guess some people don't want to read the description. That's fine. So I'm just going to tell you again. So like I said, this is cream. I have no idea what I'm doing, how this is going to work or anything. I know I need to spray some water in it because, as you can see, my hair is a fro. There's no definition. It's very soft and moisturized. I know it probably doesn't look like it. It looks like a dry French poodle, but trust me, it is very soft. But I just need to wet it to get, you know, the curls back popping a little bit. I was doing other stuff before I started filming this video, so that's why. So let's see if there's any directions. Apply a small amount of curl activator to palm. Rub hands together and rub through hair. Distribute enough to lightly coat the hair. Comb through and style as usual. Pretty self-explanatory. Start with that much. I'll probably use more. I'm so not used to this. I'm only used to my Proclaim, and I've also used Longaid before in the past, but this, a clean version of Curl Activator, I just don't know what this is going to do, if anything. It definitely doesn't have the feel of using any kind of gel or any kind of curl activator gel. It's like literally putting cream in my hair. And I talk about this in some of my other videos. Cream wash and goes don't work very well for me. So I put a little bit more. Now I see some curls coming through a little bit. Now, okay, yeah. As you see also, this is a cream and it's whitish colored or whatever. So I'm assuming when this dries, that's gonna all go away. I'm hoping. Okay, the definition, I'm gonna tell you right now up front, is not the same as when I use my Proclaim activator. Okay, so a lot of people always give recommendations. They're like, oh, mix that with some Eco Styler or some wet line or something like that. For me, and everybody else can do whatever they want to do. When I'm first testing out a product that's supposed to do something, I don't want to mix it with other things. I want to see what the product is going to do by itself. Plus, it's not like I'm about to go out or something like that and my hair just needs to be banging. I'm just like literally testing a new curl activator out as alternative. So I know I could mix some wet line with this. And I don't even know how good that's going to work anyway, but I could mix some wet line or some Eco Style gel or something like that. But I don't even want to. I just want to test and see what this Jheri Curl juice is going to do for my hair. Right now, it doesn't seem like it's going to do much, but you never know till you're completely finished. The other weird thing is when you're applying, for me, when I'm applying gel or curl activator, like I can just feel it in my hair. This doesn't, I mean, it literally doesn't feel like I'm doing anything with my hair. It's really weird. That doesn't mean it's not going to work, but it's just like a totally different feel than what I'm used to. So I'm going to finish applying the rest to my hair as usual. I'm going to dry it and then come back and show you guys the results and see if this is a replacement for my Proclaim. Highly doubt it. I mean, it had to be something to pass that up, but we'll see in a minute. Okay, so I finished applying the Care Free Curl Activator. It's really big and it didn't lay my hair down. I like to look like I'm like a wet, you know, just wet coming out the shower kind of look. That's where I like, that's how I can tell when I'm a really good wash and go. But I don't know what's gonna happen with this. It feels different. It doesn't feel like I have gel in my hair. It kind of almost feels like I put nothing in my hair, and I use like a ton of that stuff. So we'll see. It's definitely probably gonna be a fluffier wash and go than what I really like, but who's to say still that this might not be a good alternative. So I'm gonna let my hair dry and I'll come back and let you guys see the results. Okay, it's dry. I'm back. Okay, I'm kind of having some mixed thoughts on this one. So does it replace my Proclaim Jheri Curl Juice? No, it does not replace that. It doesn't do the same thing for my hair. Normally, I like my hair, I like kind of the wet look. I like it laid down. I do not do that many fluffy styles. However, after I was just like kind of digging into this, I was like, I kind of like the fluff a little bit with this product anyway. Still, I don't like the Uncle Funky's Daughter, that gel or whatever. I still don't, that Curly Magic, I don't like that. I don't think it's magical at all. But this stuff, I actually kind of like this fluffy look on my hair. And see, as you see, it's a little more drier looking than what I normally like. But if you look, you see that my curls are definitely defined. So I do like that. Another thing, another question that I get asked for the Proclaim Jheri Curl Juice, after it is dry, no, it does not stain your clothes, furniture, car seats, whatever. This Care Free Curl Activator, after it's dry, no, it does not stain anything as well. My hands, I feel when I touch it, I feel something on my hands, but it's just like I don't know, maybe slightly sticky. It's just like having a little bit of product on your hair, something that's like literally no big deal. What else do I say? So basically, if you like a more laid down look like I normally do, I would recommend going with the Proclaim if you can find it. If you like your curls or your wash and goes, I keep sweating. I'm trying to turn my fan on so it's not like noisy, but it's like hot. If you like your wash and goes fluffier like this, which a lot of people do, the Care Free Curl would be a good alternative. You can still go with the Proclaim. You can just fluff your curls more than what I normally do. So I probably, to be completely honest, I will probably continue to use this. Or I forgot to say, it feels a little bit moisturizing, not as moisturizing as the Proclaim Curl Activator. So that's still my favorite. This is an alternative probably for other people. For me, I'm not using it as alternative. I'll probably use the rest of this bottle up, but it's highly unlikely I'll ever buy this again. I mean, it's okay. And definitely, like some people said that the Proclaim and other activators made flaked in their hair. It didn't flake in mine, not yet, and I highly doubt it will flake, although the Proclaim doesn't flake in my hair either. Hardly any product really flakes in my hair, so I don't know what the deal is. Just so you know, somebody actually asked me this, and it was like, if you get too close to fires, will your hair catch on fire? I think they're like referencing like Michael Jackson got burned a long time ago or something. I don't know, when he had a curl. It says caution, hair is flammable. Keep hair away from open flame, lit tobacco products, fire, or sparks. Product buildup can increase the risk of, is it flammability or flammability? Whatever. Shampooing frequently can reduce this risk. Keep out of the reach of children. That's just a caution. I would say probably I think a lot of products probably will catch on fire if you get too close to the fire, and you shouldn't be smoking and using tobacco products anyway, in my opinion. But anyway, that's a whole nother story. So yes, that is my review. I want to know your thoughts on this. I want to know if you try Care Free Curl. There's also a gold version of it. I want to hear about that too. If you like this video, thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.